Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You've opened OneNote and selected the page to update. Now move straight to the View tab so you can control page appearance. You need to know which app you're using because options differ between OneNote for Windows 10 and the desktop version. Once done, locate page color and rule lines in View. Make sure to keep your notebook synced while you work so changes propagate. Then prepare to choose background, rules, or paper size to fit how you take notes. Now choose the visual elements that affect readability and focus. Click Page Color and pick a preset or custom shade. Darker colors reduce glare, lighter colors improve printing. Next, open Rule Lines and select Ruled, Grid, or None depending on handwriting or drawing needs, because lines guide alignment. Then change paper size and margins to Portrait Landscape or a custom size so content fits exports and prints. Finish by applying your chosen theme settings across pages or save them as a template if you want uniformity. Once applied, sync the notebook so all devices reflect changes. If you need to revert, use Undo or reset the page color and rule lines. Troubleshooting tip: if you don't see options, make sure OneNote is updated and that you're using the correct client. Alternatively, switch to the desktop version, where more page layout controls are available to resolve missing features quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.